How to add randomness to movement in sequencer. In this project, we have the John, and this John I have just to the sequencer. And now I will create a keyframe. I move to here and drag this John to another place and create another keyframe. And we play it. And yeah, we have a simple animation. And next I will click here and select additive. I open this transform. I will select that value and right click and select this polynoise. And here we have a little polynoise now. We stop it. We can right click and select this polynoise. And here we can change this value. And yeah, you can see our animation curve also change. And we play it again. And yeah, this noise is stronger than before. And we stop it. And also you can use it to rotation. We select this one and right click and select polynoise. And we play it again. Also we can change this value. And we play it again. Yes, we have another different animation now. We stop it. And also you can change this blender type. You can try to another one. You can choose any one you want. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.